Hi, I'm Brian Guzzi, Porsche Barrington General Manager, and I'm here to talk about this year's entry in the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. This year we decided to go with a 1972 911T. The thing that distinguishes the 72 911T is it has an extra door for the oil fill, similar to the gas cap. So it's a one-time feature, made the car a little unique. We did a complete restoration. We removed the engine, all suspension components, and the transmission, rebuilt all of those, and had the car sent to a body shop to be fully painted and repaired. Once we decided to go back to the original lilac, we chose a purple and yellow tartan interior to play off that color. It's beautiful, and it's sort of in the Singer tradition of resto mods for the 911s. We also chose yellow gauges to play off the yellow thread in the tartan, and we put a new headliner in as well, and a complete dash. The car was equipped with Fuchs wheels, which CCW completely restored to their original luster, and we had period correct rubber installed as well. We decided to add a ducktail on the car, which is period correct, even though this car did not originally have a ducktail. And we lowered the ride height to European spec, and we installed a center exit exhaust. We decided to install a 911S front valance to give it a sleeker and more European look. We also decided to install a rear crash bar on the car. It's a unique feature, not seen on many 911s, but it gives it a very unique look along with the ducktail. The original 911 air-cooled has always been my favorite. It's the car I always wanted growing up, and it's really exciting to see this come together as our entry for the Restoration Challenge this year. I do want to give special thanks to our service department, Marco Rodriguez, our manager, and Gene Durbeck, our air-cooled specialist. Without him, there's no way this project could have come together. We're really excited for it to debut at CheckedItOut Chicago on August 27th, and I look forward to seeing the final result. Once again, my name is Brian Guzzi, Porsche Barrington General Manager.